guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I will be doing, guess what, fall DIYs. Even though we're not completely into fall yet, because I think fall won't actually start until September, but I will be starting a lot of my fall DIYs starting today. And you can make some beautiful things from the Dollar Tree. They have some very nice, a lot of different things this year for fall. So I will be doing, you might as well say, I guess my theme is going to be pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. I did this summer, I got into this lemons for summer. So now everything I see is pumpkins here and pumpkins there. So I'm going to be doing a lot of pumpkins. Try to say that 3 times. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so every time I do a video you will be notified. And if it's something that you would like to see me make or something different, please comment and let me know. And for that, we're just going to get right into it. Okay guys, and right here I got this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and my theme I decided to use for the fall is going to be pumpkins. So I'm going to try all different kind of pumpkins any way I can think of to decorate and add pumpkin decors to my home. So here I'm going to take the label off with the heat gun, and all my supplies I'm going to have listed where I got them from in my description below. So I was having a hard time with the label, plus you know the heat gun get very hot. So I'm going to remove it and sand it a little bit, and then I will use the acrylic paint that I got from Walmart. So I'm going to use that once I get my label off, and then I do eventually get it off with my scraper here. So I'm going to just sand this little area off a little bit, and then I can start to paint it. And I'm sorry I did not hold this up, but I have the gray acrylic paint. The orange I got from Walmart. Well, all the acrylic paint I got from Walmart, and the orange paint as well. And I think I did. Well, I was going to use 3 colors, but I think I ended up using 2 and ended up using my scrap paper from Hobby Lobby. So, and this gray, I really love the way gray turns out. I just love the look that it gives, that antique farmhouse look. So here I'm going to use my painter's tape to separate the front, the top and the middle, so I can add my my scrap paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, now right here I'm done with my painting, and for my scrap paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, I used the little glue sticks, which I've been finding out works so much better for me than the Mod Podge, because it don't wrinkle, it give me a smooth finish. So I've been using that lately. I'm still going to use my Mod Podge, of course, but the glue stick works so much better for me, and it's giving me a smooth finish that I like. So now I'm going to cut this little cat off the top of it so it can really look just like a pumpkin. So I'm going to remove the cat head, and then I'm going to sand it down. You won't be able to see much that's left from it because I'm going to add my bow right here. Okay, now right here I'm done. I add the flowers to this, and my bows to the top, I'm sorry. And this is the little hobby sign, and I'm just going to sponge it with a little black acrylic paints to kind of take some of the silver away, and add it across the center of it. And the bows I did get from, some of my bows I got from Hobby Lobby, and I ordered some from Amazon. I have some also from the Dollar Tree, but I got the hobby sign from the Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to glue it across the center of it, and it did turn out quite cute, I thought. Okay guys, and this is the finishing of my pumpkin, I should say my Halloween pumpkin, and I think it turned out really, really cute. You'll be surprised of what you can do with these the pumpkins. And as I say, I did get them from the Dollar Tree, and I think it come out beautiful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.